Baitman here. Tonight's paddle and splash is Kayak Panfish, made simple with live bait. 10 to 12 foot fishing kayaks keep you stable and quiet on small lakes and ponds. Ease in, stay low, and let the water settle. Pack light, one spinning rod with light line, a small box with bobbers, split shot hooks and tiny jigs, plus a mesh landing net. Dial the bait right. Minnows are prime for crappie and perch. Waxworms shine under a bobber or slip bobber for steady bluegill bites. Work the weeds. A chunk of crawler on a drop shot just off the weed edge is the best producer for bluegill and perch. Keep the weight down, keep the line tight, and barely move the bait. Quiet boat, correct bait, clean presentation. Fish smart, kayak quiet, tight lines. Baitman out.